a constant rise and fall of sea levels. Imagine the ocean breathing, slowly in and out. We don't always see it, but these changes are real. The ocean's level has been both higher and lower than it is today. Understanding this dance is crucial for our planet and ourselves. Factors like the Earth's shape, its tilt, and even the gravitational pull of the sun and moon play a part. Climate change makes the ocean's dance even more intricate. Picture massive glaciers, giant ice cubes holding trillions of gallons of water. As our planet warms, these glaciers melt at an alarming rate. This melted ice flows into the oceans, causing sea levels to rise. It's like adding more water to a bathtub, the water level goes up. The more glaciers and ice sheets melt, the higher the sea level climbs. This is a major concern for coastal communities and island nations. The melting of ice sheets and glaciers is a stark reminder of climate change. Here's a simple experiment. Fill a glass with water and mark the level. Now heat it up. Notice how the water level rises even though you didn't add more water. That's thermal expansion in action. The same thing happens in the ocean. As the Earth warms due to climate change, the ocean absorbs most of this extra heat. This absorbed heat causes the water molecules to move faster and spread out, leading to an increase in ocean volume and, consequently, sea level rise. While the concept is simple, the implications are far-reaching. Thermal expansion, along with melting ice, is a major contributor to sea level rise. The warmer our planet gets, the more the ocean expands, further threatening coastal communities and ecosystems. Understanding thermal expansion highlights the interconnectedness of Earth's systems. It emphasizes the need to address climate change and mitigate its impact on our oceans and planet. Section 4. Life on the Edge. How changing oceans affect wildlife. Imagine a coral reef, a bustling city beneath the waves. Now imagine that city slowly being submerged as the ocean rises. That's the reality for many marine ecosystems. Rising sea levels can destroy coral reefs, drown coastal wetlands, and disrupt delicate coastal ecosystems. These habitats are home to a vast array of marine life, from tiny plankton to majestic whales. Marine animals that rely on specific depths for breeding, feeding, or migrating face new challenges. Sea turtles that lay their eggs on beaches find their nesting grounds shrinking. Fish populations may shift their ranges in search of suitable habitats, impacting the entire food web. The impact of changing ocean levels on wildlife is profound and far-reaching. It's a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of life on Earth and the importance of preserving the delicate balance of our oceans. Section 5. Coastal communities living with the ocean's rise. For millions of people around the world, the ocean is not just a beautiful view, it's their backyard, their livelihood, their culture. Rising sea levels pose a direct threat to these coastal communities. Imagine your home, your community, slowly being claimed by the sea. That's the reality for many facing coastal erosion, more frequent flooding, and saltwater intrusion into freshwater sources. From small island nations facing existential threats to bustling coastal cities grappling with infrastructure damage, the human cost of rising sea levels is immense. The displacement of communities, loss of livelihoods, and cultural heritage are just some of the challenges faced. The impact of rising sea levels goes beyond the physical. It's a stark reminder of the human cost of climate change and the urgent need for action to protect vulnerable communities and preserve our cultural heritage. Section 6. The ocean's future. Our call to action. The ocean's dance is a complex and powerful force. We've seen how melting ice and thermal expansion are changing the ocean, affecting both wildlife and humans. But this isn't a time for despair. It's a time for action. We can all play a part in addressing climate change and protecting our oceans. Reducing our carbon footprint, supporting sustainable practices, and advocating for change are crucial steps. We can support research and innovation to better understand and adapt to our changing oceans. We can work together to protect vulnerable communities and ecosystems. The future of our oceans, and indeed our planet, depends on our collective action. Let's be inspired by the ocean's resilience and embrace our role as guardians of this precious resource. Together, we can make a difference. Let's learn more, take action, and ensure a healthy ocean for generations to come.